Hello friends, let's solve question number 3. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. See here, let us consider this as car front glass, okay, front mirror. So it has two wipers will be like this, they will be moving on like this. Say in case you consider this as a wiper, it will be cleaning on like this, okay. For the car, see the pen, how is it moving? It is moving on like that. It means it will be in a circular motion, okay. Since this is fixed, so it will be semicircular like this. The wipers will be moving on like this, okay. To and fro they will be moving on. So each wiper is having a blade of length, they have given it as 25 centimeters. So two wipers are having two blades, the length is 25 centimeters and the angle through which the wipers will move is, they have given it as 115 degrees for both wipers, okay. So now what we need to find? Total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So when you consider this is one sweep and for the second wiper it is one sweep. So this entire thing, see when you consider this as a circle, this becomes semicircle and this is also called as sector, okay. Sectors will be many, right? It will be this much or this or this, or it will be half also. This half part it is called, this is called sector. Both cases, these two are called sectors. So they asked us to find the area. Area means what? We can use area of sector formula. What is area of sector? It is x degrees by 360 into pi r square, correct? So this is the information they have given. See here the blade moves means what? From center till the length of the blade, it acts as radius, correct? Radius, write in brackets r, that is length of blade, that is how much it is? Length of blade equals to 25 centimeters, okay. Length of the blade equals to 25 centimeters they have given in the question. And angle they have given it as angle, write in brackets x degrees equals to 115 degrees. Now let's substitute the values in the simplification. Let's see what do we get. 115 degrees by 360 into pi r. What is r here? R is nothing but length of the blade. R square means r into r. Now here when you see, for each wiper this is there. Area of sector for one wiper. For one wiper this is the value. For both, they asked us to find here what in the question you can see. Total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. It means for two wipers you need to find. Therefore, area of sector for two wipers equals to this into 2, that's it. Put this as equation 1, right? Equation 1 into 2, that's it. Multiply with 2. So 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 2. Okay. Now let's simplify this. See here, 5 2s are 5 3s are. Again 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 6s are. Okay. So again 2 11s are 2 18s are. Okay, write the same thing here. 23 by 18 into 11 into 625. 25 it is 625. You need to learn squares for that, so that you can easily calculate. So here 11 by 7, you should not forget that. So 23 by 18 into 11 by 7 into 25 into 25, that is 625. So here when you simplify that, let's see what do we get here. 23, what will I do? 625 I will multiply with 23. 18 sevens it is 126. So what will I do? 625 into 23. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 6s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 6s are 12. Let's add 5, 7, 13, 4, 1. So it's 14,375. 14375 into 11. You should not forget this. I just multiplied these two and I put it as 14,375. Next step, what will I do? I will divide these two. Okay. So let's divide that. When you divide 14375 by 126, let's see what do we get. So this is first three digits. 126 ones are 126. 13 minus 6 it is 7. And 3 minus 2 it is 1. Okay. So 177 again. So 126 ones are 126. Okay. So 7 minus 6 1. 7 minus 2 it is 5. So next step I will take one more digit down. So 126 515. So 126 into 4. Let's see what do we get. 4 6 are 24. 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5. 5 not 4 it's near. So 4s are it is 504. 11. Put a point here. You'll get 0. So 126 you don't get 0. So put a 0. You'll get 0 again here. So 126 into 9. 9 6 are 54. 9 2 is 18 plus 5 23. 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 34. So 126 into 8. 8 6 are 48, 8 2 is 16 plus 4 it is 20, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 10. So it becomes 1008. So it's, yeah, it is okay. So 8s are 1008. 10 minus 8 it is 2, 9 minus 0 9. Again 0 minus 0 it becomes 0. So 92, since it is a point is there, put 0. 920. So 126 into how much into I'm sorry I'll do it here. 126 into 7 I will do. 7 6 are 42. 7 2 is 14 plus 4 18. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 8. 882 it is. Yeah, it's near. So 087. How much it becomes? 882. 10 minus 2 8. 11 minus 8 it is 3. So 38. Let me stop it here. Okay. So 114.087 into 11. Let's see what do we get. So 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 88 plus 7 95. So it becomes 9. Point 11 fours are 44. 11 1 is 11. 11 plus 4 15. 11 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 12. So it becomes 1254 point. So since it is 57, so I am rounding it off to 1254.96. 0.96 it is. So what is this we have found out? Area of the blades which they have wiped off. See here, total area cleaned at each weep of the blades. We got this. Area is measured in terms of square. Since the units is centimeters, so answer will be square centimeters. Write the same thing here. Therefore, area cleaned by blades of each sweep equals to 1254.96 centimeter square. So this is the solution. Clear? So let me explain you very briefly now. So length of the blades, we have taken that as radius, because when you see here it's in the form of a semicircle, you can consider each of them as sector, two different sectors. So for one sector, x decreased by 360 into pi r square. For two sectors, this value into 2 for two sectors. So here simplification is very, very important. Okay. So here put the easiest one outside such that in the last step you can do easily multiplication. Okay. This is the solution. It's very simple. This is all the rough part. Okay. It's all the rough part. This is also The main solution is this one. So the total area is what? Total area cleaned by each sweep of the plates is 1254.96 square centimeters. So this is the solution. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much.